Hello guys, I'm Blair here. Today we are about to speak about the GST system on NexoPOS. We would like to apologize first since a tutorial about this wasn't published since the feature is implemented. Before getting started, I would like to inform you that a short update is on the way. Nothing really important, just a route fix that we've applied on the route configuration. So, GST. How does that work on NexoPOS? As far as we know, the GST apply a different or dynamic tax over the sales, according to the place where the sale is made or where it's shipped. Having that in mind, we realized that the better way to introduce a GST system on NexoPOS is to let you or the cashier select the tax which will apply to the current cart. We've then introduced what we call a dynamic tax selection. It talks about himself. It's just about selecting a tax according to the place where the sale is made or where it will be shipped. So let's first enable the tax dynamic support. We'll get to the dashboard, then setting, and finally checkout setting. The option enable VAT is actually a drop-down which lets you select which tax should be applied to the cart. You can choose whether it should be fixed or dynamic. If the tax is fixed, then right below that field you'll be able to input the fixed tax rate. It might be anything you want, let's say 80%. The dynamic tax lets you assign all taxes created from the tax component to be available for selection on the POS. So now that we've selected the option, I'll have to save the setting and go to the tax component within the inventory menu. So now I'll just have to input the tax name, rate, and save it. I'll create two taxes like so. The first one will be SGST plus CGST, and I will set the tax rate to 12%. The second tax will be IGST, and this time I will set the tax to 80%. Okay, now that we are set, let me move back to the POS and try to make a sale with both taxes. Okay, let me select any item and add it to the cart. Now at the bottom of the cart, you'll be able to select which tax should be applied to the cart. Every time I'm changing the tax, you can see that change the total due amount as well. So now I can proceed to the sale and that's it. Well, that's basically how you can use the dynamic tax selection on NexoPOS, and hopefully that might work for the GST Indian tax system. Thank you for watching this.